The Boulder County Farmers Market, running from April to November each year, is a community hub for those who value freshness, quality, and connection to their food sources. Stocked entirely by Colorado producers, each purchase goes toward the year-round work of advocating for farmers, local agriculture, and equitable food access so that the benefits of local food can be with our communities for generations to come. Not only did we completely revamp their logo and brand identity through our reputable rebranding program, but we additionally integrated all of those new brand assets into a collection of branded merchandise. Made for those sunny Saturday farmers market strolls and beyond, each item in this collection is meant to fit swiftly into your daily routine. Canvas tote bags hardy enough to carry loads of produce proudly display the vibrant logo that symbolizes supporting local farmers. The produce bags not only reduce plastic waste, but showcase your dedication to sustainability with every trip to the market. And when the weather turns chilly, wrap yourself in the warmth of our soft organic cotton tees, cozy sweatshirts, and beanies, all tied together with the branding of Boulder County Farmers Market. Overall, we could not be happier with how this collaboration turned out, and we can't wait to bring this collection along to the farmers market this April.